Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be coming at you with some new nail content because I haven't posted nail content in a minute. So I'm going to be showing you how I got these nails today. I'm just showing you a little bit of an intro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up this video so I'll know that you like this type of content, because this takes really long for me to do. And if you guys are not liking the video, then I'm not going to be posting this because it takes forever to make. So don't forget to comment down below so other people can see this video and like. Thank you. So we're starting off on freshly trimmed nails. These are how my nails look regularly. I love wearing my nails natural and bare. I'm going to push back my cuticle using this cuticle pisher. I got it from Amazon. Then I'm going to just cut off the little dead skin around my fingers and get it ready for me to prep the nail. And once you're done doing that, I'm just going to clean up my nail and buff it with my drill. I got this nail drill from Amazon. So I'm actually using a light drill bit to buff my nails just because I don't want to damage my nails or weaken them. I'm going to be using the BT Art Box Falls Nails Kit, and I'm going to measure out all the nails that I'm going to be using on my fingers. I do recommend doing this because it just makes the process go by faster, but if you could do it one by one and just go in it anyhow you want to do it, just do it. But I'm measuring the nails before I glue them down. And once you do that, we're going to be using our nail glue. My nail glue is the KDS nail glue. I prefer this one because it literally dries so fast. So make sure you're putting the nail on perfectly straight, because right here I put it on crooked and I had to hurry up and pull it off because it dries super fast. So I'm going to go ahead and glue down all of these nails, and then I'll come back with the rest of my commentary. And a little tip for when you're gluing the nail, make sure that you're pushing it down from the back section forward so there's no bubbles or anything in the nail. Once you do that, I'm going to go ahead and file the nail. Normally, I would cut them into like a coffin shape, but I figured I wanted more of like a straightish type of look because I've been liking that lately. So I'm just filing the nail how I would want it to be, so when I'm done laying the acrylic, it's going to be easy to just finish up that filing. And I hold the file up straight and I kind of tilt it on the top of the nail. I don't file really the bottom of the nail because I don't like that rounded type of shape, so I try to keep it as straight as possible and tilt the file on top of the nail. So I want mostly all the nails to look like this, so I'm just going to do all of them. And now I'm going to blend the false nail and my real nail together, putting most of the pressure onto the false nail so that you're not filing down your real nail too much. And this is just going to blend everything seamlessly. And this is the most important part because this is the base of the nail, so this is going to determine how much more work you would have to do. Make sure that you have these two items. These are the most important items to me because if you don't have this, your nails will lift up in like 2 days. So make sure you have your extra bond because this is what's going to make the nails stay down. And make sure you have your nail prep dehydrator. This is just going to clean off the nail and dry it down so there's no oils or anything on the nail surface. So you're going to dehydrate the nail first. And then you're going to put on your bond. I like using 2 coats of this, so put it on, wait for it to dry for like a minute, and then put on a second layer. And it's going to give it like this tacky type of feel. This is what the acrylic will stick to, so it's not going to lift. I'm going in with Valentino Nail System. I'm using their acrylic powders and their liquid. I love using this product. And my nail brush is from Amazon. I just got 18 Kolinsky brush, I believe. I'm not sure. I'm not a nail tech, you guys. I literally just do my nails for fun. So I'm going in with Soft Touch. This is a Soft Touch acrylic powder, and I'm just putting it in random places because I wanted to have a cloudy effect on the nail, because I'm doing pure glass nails. And then I'm going in with crystal clear, and I'm going to encapsulate the soft touch with that. I got this nail inspo from Did That on Instagram, so that's what I'm trying to do here. And I literally just changed it up a little bit just with the nail polish that I did at the end. And I'm gonna say it again, I'm not a nail tech, so bear with me and enjoy the video. I'm gonna come back when I have more commentary. You guys can just watch the process and what I'm doing. Okay, and now I'm doing my other hand. I literally went in and did the same thing. I'm just measuring them to make sure that the nail is not too long, and just cut it and do the same exact process that we did with the first hand. I like doing my left hand. No, I like doing my right hand first, since my right hand is my dominant hand. If I do my left hand, I will not be able to do my right hand with long nails. So I did my right hand first, and then I'm coming back to do my left hand. So this is basically what's going on right here. I'm just measuring them, making sure that they're kind of the same length-ish. And we're going to start doing the same thing, filing the nail. And make sure that you hold the file up straight and over. Then we're going to dehydrate the nail like we did before. It's literally just a process. This is super easy. Literally, I feel like anybody can do nails because this is so easy. And I taught myself this. So then we're going to put on our bond. And do that 2 times. Don't forget, because sometimes I'll be forgetting to put it on. And then we're going to start the process. So I'm just wetting my brush. I'm going in with the soft touch. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to put it on and then just drag it around the nail everywhere so it can create some type of effect, like a milky effect to the nail.
How could you know that you were my girl? Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to keep you happy, girl. Oh, yeah.
And once you're satisfied, we're gonna go ahead and encapsulate it with the crystal clear. All of these products are from Valentino. This video is not sponsored. This is just what I use when I'm doing my nails. I've had this for a really, really long time. Well, I had it since last year, so yeah. And then I'm just patting it down. I'm not really dragging it too much. Just pat it and then build that nail up. And try to make sure that your brush is not too wet when you pick up the bead, because it's going to be sliding all over the place and you don't want that. So I'm just going to build the nails and make sure that you're keeping it nice and clean. And the apex, which is the middle area where the fake nail and your real nail meet, is the most important part. So make sure that part is the thickest part of the nail so it's not going to break.
Turn me up. Don't turn me down. Don't turn me down. Yeah.
Oh, for some of the nails, I did go ahead and use Soft Touch as the full nail color, just because I seen her Did That do this type of look. So I was like, oh, I want to try that out. So that's all I'm doing right here. I'm just using a basics. Instead of putting the crystal clear all over the nail, I'm just using Soft Touch and doing it as a regular nail application.
I got a story to tell. Here it go. Okay. And of LA, there's a lost little girl with a head full of curls and the weight of the world on her shoulder. But her story is colder. Hold up. All the men that she's ever encountered have proved to be cowards, misused and abused her and bruised her with power. Now her doubts get louder, and all her desire building up, building up, building up, and all her fears are killing her, killing her, killing her. She don't believe in love no more, no more, no more. She don't believe in love, no, no. But I believe in her.
And then make sure you're always cleaning around the cuticle because you don't want any acrylic on top of the cuticle because your nail is going to lift when it starts growing out.
And love believes in us. Yes, 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 yes. In the streets of NY, there's a guy who's just trying to keep.
And this is how it looks. I'm very satisfied with that. So I'm going to go ahead and do my last nail, which is my pinky. And I'm also doing the same exact technique of a regular application. And I'm using soft touch.
That has gone wrong with everything that's going on. Building up, building up, building up, and all his fears are killing him, killing him, killing him. He don't believe in love no more, no more, no more. He don't believe in love, but I believe in him. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, I believe in him. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And I believe in love.
Alright, then once I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and drill my nail. I'm changing the bit to a more a harder bit just so I can file these nails down. So I'm first going in with my file and I'm going to reinforce the shape that we did before we put it down the application. So I'm just reinforcing that straight nail. Make sure you file it really good so it's not going to pull on your hair or anything like that. And filing is literally the bulk of the process, so just take your time with this and go back and forth. I could have filed my left hand a little bit better, but
with the mindset, love life won't help you prosper. Trying to help you love life, keep you from imposters. Maybe you just rap money, give you a couple options. Really feel you deserve it, and I don't think that often. I'm just lost in facts, the truth hits. I'm riding around town with my new chick, old chick on my mental management.
I could have filed the middle fingernail a lot better, but this is cool. So I'm going in with my electric drill and I'm just going to buff the nail out so I can have a leveled surface. But don't buff it too much to where the nail gets thin. You just want it to be a level surface so then you can smooth it out and have a smooth polish application.
Don't believe in love, no, but love believes in us. Yes, yes, love believes in us. Love believes in us. Trust, love believes in us. Just
Once you're done with that, your nail should look something like this, or even a little bit better if you're taking your time. And yeah, so this is how the nail is looking, and we're ready to polish. So these are the polish I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using Nude Girl by Madam Glam. And I'm literally just drawing random lines and swivels on the nail just to give it like a different type of look so it's not too basic. So you can do it to make it unique to your nail and customize it.
It was the summertime, you was mine, and I was yours. We were so high, so told me that you love me, wrote my name up in the sky. We cannot be separated. Sunny day, single night, swimming in a pool of desire. Baby, we belong together like Mariah. But all good things come to an end. You had to change up the game. Oh, the weather is not the same. Now there's only cloudy days and rain in July. There were fireworks exploding, but now we're getting colder. The leaves are turning colors. Why? It's just not our season. The one and only reason. Baby, oh baby, oh, summer turned into fall. What do I do to get over you? Let the rain fall down on my heart and let it cleanse the depths of my soul. Let the wind blow the dead leaves away, and there will be no more pain. Oh, I'm in the right place. I'll forget all about July. There were fireworks exploding.
Make sure once you're done doing this, put your fingernail in for 30 seconds underneath your lamp, and that's gonna cure. And then we're gonna go in with Matte and Glam base coat and top coat. You want to put both of these because the base coat is very important for the polish to last. So I go in with the base coat and then I cure it for 30 seconds, and then I go in with the top coat and cure it for 30 seconds.
Oh, girl, you know that you were my girl. Should've made you my world. Should've did everything to keep you happy, girl. Oh, yeah.
Can't wait for springtime, and I will turn into a butterfly. I will spread my wings and
Oh, yeah. I don't